If you want to build a beautiful salon website on Squarespace, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps so you can create a polished, professional site that helps clients learn about your services, book appointments, and see your best work. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up your main pages, configure scheduling, and add a strong portfolio and Instagram feed to make your salon site feel complete. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy website guides. First, log into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to edit. Once you're inside the editor, look to the left side navigation panel. This is where you'll manage your pages, scheduling tools, and site content. To start building your main menu, click the plus icon next to main navigation. From here, you can either select a blank page or choose one of Squarespace's page layouts. If you want full control, a blank page is a great choice. If you want to move faster, a pre-built layout can help you get started with a cleaner structure. Now let's create the essential menu links every salon site needs. First, add your services page. This page should clearly explain what you offer, whether that includes hair treatments, nail services, skin treatments, coloring, styling, or spa packages. You can use a text block or menu block to outline your pricing tiers, session lengths, and service categories. Keep it simple, organized, and easy to scan so visitors can quickly understand what you do and what to expect. Next, create your About page. This is where you introduce your salon's personality and style. Add photos of your workspace, your team, and the overall aesthetic of your salon. If you have multiple stylists, include short bios for each one so clients can connect with the people behind the brand. A strong About page builds trust and helps your salon feel more personal and premium. After that, add your contact page. This page should make it as easy as possible for people to get in touch with you. List your active phone numbers, your salon hours, and any other important contact details. You should also embed a native map block so clients can instantly see where your salon is located and get directions without leaving your website. This small step can make a big difference in helping people actually visit your business. Once your main pages are in place, go back to your main left side menu dashboard and click on Scheduling. This is where Squarespace helps you turn your website into a booking system. Follow the automated onboarding wizard carefully because this is where you'll enter the core details for your salon appointments. Start with appointment types. Add each service you want clients to book and make sure to define the session, length, and base cost for each one. For example, you might set up something like balayage treatment, 120 minutes, with your standard pricing. You can repeat this for color services, trims, facials, or any other treatments you offer. Then move on to intake forms. This is an important step because it helps you gather the right information before a client confirms a booking. Add customized questionnaire fields for things like hair history, product allergy rules, or any special instructions you need before the appointment. This helps you prepare properly and gives your clients a smoother, more professional booking experience. Now let's make your salon site visually impressive. Click Edit in the top left corners of your target portfolio page. This is where you'll showcase your transformations and proof of work. Click Add section, then choose Images or Gallery. For the layout, select Grid and then choose Masonry. This specific style is especially useful for salon photos because it preserves vertical before and after image proportions without awkward clipping. That means your content looks clean, modern, and polished, which is exactly what you want for a beauty brand. Take your time arranging the photos so your strongest work appears first. Include color transformations, styling results, braid work, nail art, skincare results, or whatever best represents your salon's specialty. A strong portfolio builds trust and can help turn visitors into paying clients. Next, scroll down to your footer section. This is the final place we'll optimize so your site stays connected to your social media presence. Click Add Block, then select Instagram. Connect your salon's business handle so your web lookbook updates automatically whenever you post transformations on social media. This is a great way to keep your site fresh without constantly updating it manually. It also helps potential clients see your latest work and follow you on Instagram for more inspiration. And that's it. You've now built the foundation of a professional salon site on Squarespace. You've added the key pages, set up your scheduling system, created service intake forms, built a strong portfolio section, and connected Instagram to keep your site dynamic. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.